Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my GooglrCash review. Here we're going to be taking a close look at the GooglrCash software, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with GooglrCash. This launches on the 21st of February by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, GooglrCash is a software that allows you to create your own interactive video sites. Now, how does this work? This doesn't require you to create videos. So the way it works is you can just log into your dashboard, and then you can search based on keyword in any niche to pull out, these viral videos. Now you're going to be able to make these viral videos more interactive by putting these questions on top of these videos. Now these questions would ultimately lead to your affiliate links, and that's how you actually monetize this software. So now these questions are actually bordering on interest. For example, someone watching a video on how to lose weight is probably looking at losing some weight. Someone watching a video on how to make $1,000 every month is probably looking to make some additional money, or trying to find out how to make money online. So you are going to be able to put these questions in front of people watching these videos. Now they will need to answer this question one way or another, which is ultimately going to link to your get to your affiliate link, and then you get the option to actually add your links while you are creating your campaigns. So that's in a nutshell how GooglrCash works. You're going to find a demo on this bonus page here, and also at the end of this review I'm also going to let you see the demo of GooglrCash. So I'm going to review my custom bonuses here, and then we're going to talk a little more about GooglrCash. So bonus number one, I've actually put together some traffic bonuses that would help you send a ton of eyeballs, send a ton of visitors to these campaigns to get you the best possible results. So bonus number one, you're going to be getting access to a Facebook traffic software, and this software allows you to automate your traffic from Facebook, and of course it also works in any niche. So you're going to be able to set this up. You are going to be able to create unlimited campaigns here. You can manage pages, you can post, you can do multimedia posts, videos, images, post links, and ultimately drive a ton of traffic from Facebook. You get access to Page Builder that makes the whole process a lot easy for you. Bonus number two, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software. Now this software allows you to ultimately search for viral videos. This also does not require video creation. Allows you to search for viral videos in any niche, and then you can actually place your own links on top of these videos to ultimately drive a ton of traffic to your affiliate links and get conversions into sales with your affiliate links. Now you can upload images that are going to show up on these videos. When people actually play these videos, your images come up, and when they click on these images, it's going to take them to your specified link, which could be your affiliate link. You can create call to actions that are clickable. You can even create opt-in forms that allow you to build your list while still driving people to your link. So when these opt-in forms appears on these videos, people can actually put in their emails, and once they do that, they're going to be redirected ultimately to your link. Now I'm not sure GooglrCash allows you to build your list, but this is one software that allows you to build your list while making a ton of money with affiliate marketing. And of course, this is on completely free traffic. I still have another software here that I'm giving you that allows you to build your list, which you can go and use with GooglrCash. Bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to a Doodle creator video software. Now you've probably seen these Doodle videos on YouTube. These videos get people's attention every single time. Now you are going to be able to create these doodle videos. You can upload any image and the software is going to create a doodle video, of that image for you. You can even upload videos. This software still creates doodle videos for you, which you can export and get this in MP4, and then you can upload to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other video platform. So that's bonus number 3. Bonus number 4, I am going to be showing you in a video here how to make money with videos, especially on YouTube. A lot of people understand that videos, you can actually make a ton of money with videos, but they are not so comfortable with showing their faces on camera. What I'm telling you here is that shouldn't even be a problem. You don't want to show your face on camera, it's no problem at all. You can still make money with videos, especially on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you free video editors, free video creators, free video editor you can use to make some professional looking videos that give you the best conversions. And I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways you can make money with these videos, even if you are a complete newbie, or even if you are a teenager, even if you are a student, or no matter what you are or your level of experience, you're going to find out a number of ways you can make money with videos without you having to ever show your face on camera. Bonus number 5, you are going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator software. Now, in my little experience with affiliate marketing, I have come to realize that if you can actually offer meaningful bonuses, you're going to get a lot better conversions than you would get on a normal day. So you're going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator software which done for you bonuses. So you don't have to source for bonuses. You don't have to crack your head for bonuses. You get done for you graphics for these bonuses, and then the delivery is instantly created the moment you are creating your bonus page. Now, this doesn't even require you to design anything at all. Simply log in and select the bonuses you want to appear on your page, and of course you get to create unlimited campaigns from this premium software. So that's bonus number 5 there. Bonus number 6, now this is a tool. This is a cloud-based software that comes with done for you squeeze page templates, and these templates you can use to build your list. Now this is the template which I advise you go and use with GooglrCash. Now, instead of sending people directly to your link, and sometimes, of course, most of the time, most people don't buy when they land on your link at the first time. What you want to do is actually put your link behind a squeeze page. Now, this way people would need to give you their email addresses before they can get to your link. Now, when they give you their email addresses, they're going to be redirected to your link. Now, even if they don't purchase at that point in time, you now have the contact. Then you can actually send out reminders, or you can even send out similar offers to this list that you're going to be able to build. So you can build your list to the cloud-based software. You can build your list to Aweber, or even get response from this cloud-based software here. And it takes less than 30 seconds to actually select a template and slap in your affiliate link. You also get access to free traffic training on how to do this, how to make money with this, and then you also get access to premium lead magnets you can just give away to build your list. Also, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to another software that gives you done for you product reviews. Now, product reviews are one way to get the best conversion, make sales easily, because you are dealing with people who have heard some information about this product, and they are actually looking at getting their own copy of this product. Now you're getting access to done for you high converting ClickBank product reviews. Now all you need to do is go and get your ClickBank ID, save it to your profile here. Now once you do that, all the buttons on this product reviews, all the links there become your own affiliate links, and then this comes with free traffic in the cloud-based software. You also get access to Warrior Plus product reviews. It also allows you to create unlimited campaigns. You get access to free traffic and free traffic training also. Bonus number 8, you get access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. To claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of GooglrCash, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. So here it says, turn your mobile phones into a cash spilling machine, no selling. Recently detected system pays us $89 per hour and up to $789 per day for answering simple yes or no questions on Google over and over again. Zero risk, 100% hands off, set and forget, zero tech skills. Come check this out in your own time to get full information about GooglrCash. You'll also find a ton of proof of results right here on the sales page of GooglrCash. So feel free to come check this out in your own time to get more information about this once this goes live 21st of February. So let's talk about the pricing for GooglrCash. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $19, but I guess you're going to be able to pick it up for a discount of $2, so you can get it for $17. You're probably going to get a pop-up that shows up here to you on the sales page. That's the front end. Now there's some optional upgrades like the unlimited version, the done for you autopilot, 1 hour profits, lazy infinite traffic special, franchise license special, multi-income edition special. Those are all optional upgrades for GooglrCash. So that's going to be my review of GooglrCash. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and stay tuned right now for the demo.